Hi everyone. This is a simultaneous 3-key unlock prop. Players need to find these 3 keys in your escape room first, and insert them into these keyholes. Turning a key will trigger a light and a sound effect. The keys are spring-loaded, so they reset when you let go. To solve the puzzle, you need to turn all 3 keys at the same time, just like this. Once solved, it triggers a success sound. You can easily customize your own audio files using this SD card. If you have other ideas, like a specific turning sequence, or requiring multiple turns, we can fully customize the logic for you.